because of this and this, and they'll throw in some random reasons. And at some point, somebody's going to sue them for not giving proper reasons, meaning they're not getting a proper education.
Good afternoon, gentlemen, Mr. Miller and Mrs. Smith. How are we?
Oh, very good. Thank you, Mr. Roberts.
Excellent. Following our committee meeting yesterday, I'm presenting to you an analysis of our recommended media advertising options. So I'm going to be talking about the strengths and weaknesses and outlining the background, including the market research which informed our decision of these recommended options. Are you comfortable in your seats?
Yes.
Thank you.
Excellent. Would you like a tea?
No, that's
No.
all good. Thank you.
Excellent. The background of the market research included direct surveys with a select group that you and your colleagues participated in. This included primary research, which included qualitative and quantitative data to inform our marketing. From this, we established that native foods require a repositioning of their perception and move to a more innovative, forward-thinking approach in the market, along with a cosmopolitan food trend, to attend to the demands of the market. Our two options are display formats. Display formats are known, according to our research, to have a strong cognitive recognition and a recall. They're great for mass advertising as they have a fixed position and a fixed spot. They're really good for corrective branding as well, as the branding on it is recalled and remembered just as we want it to, opposed to other types of ads like videos, which have a more spontaneous recall. This is our first display option. The only downside is that it doesn't have direct conversions of sales, and it's better to groom the audience to a newer product. And this will work hand in hand with our second type of advertising format, which is dynamic ad campaigns. Dynamic ad campaigns can actually be data driven, and we can actually generate the audience that we serve this to. They are paid spaces, often on social media feeds, and it can be a non-intrusive part of people's experience, unlike the other ad type, which is often not people's choice to see that. This is people's choice, so we know we have a more quality audience as social media programs select the audience based on what they know about it. But there is a drawback. This can be wrong and means money can easily be wasted on the audience, or it will not generate an audience at all. There's also a lot of competition, so it requires skill to be able to schedule the ads properly, for example, non-peak times, to produce the best result. And so, are there any questions?
Yes. Where can staff locate relevant media policy and procedures?
So we'll be using stakeholder management software, which can actually plug into a lot of the collaboration and project management software we're using, such as Slack. So we can easily offload some information to stakeholders through this. So the technology that we're developing during this program will also bring up the stakeholder technology linked to it.
Oh yes, very good. And also, how will you keep up to date to ensure ethical and compliance requirements are met?
Yep, so we have staff and a department designated to monitor this, and we build an increasing criteria checklist, and we also monitor influences in the industry, and we have software like RSS feeds to ensure that we're always updated about policy changes, and we do regular reviews.
Very good.
And Mrs. Smith?
Mm-hmm. How will communication strategies you have recommended in your report enhance shareholder relations?
Pause. I'm pretty sure I answered that question with your one. Shit. How you keep up to
Rest
date?
in pepperonis. Fully have
Oh, no, I
all
didn't.
been dried.
No, it's cool. I can just cut this bit.
Alright, go.
So stakeholder relations will be improved during this project, as we are using a lot of collaboration software within our own network, and we'll be improving on that software. And stakeholders are an essential part of this branding, as Indigenous communities and suppliers and so on, new ones that we're bringing on board. That is a strong backbone of this operation. Therefore, it is essential that the technology will be improved, so it's inevitable stakeholder communication will improve. Thank you.
Mhm.